This is a quick reminder of how to find different things on the website. When you first get logged in and you want to go to Smart, everybody, I believe, is pretty fluid in that. But there are a lot of questions that come to either myself or the other regionals or Mark and his group. This is just a quick reminder of what's there. We have a new Cambridge contact list, so if you need different things answered and you don't know who to get to in different departments, you can see right here we have a complete list, whether it be the leadership team, sales team, engineering, marketing, admin, or service. It's a quick list there, so if you need questions answered. And then the other things, we have our true BTU here, the heat load analysis, basically the calculate sheet. You can fill this out and send it back to Mark and his team. And then there are the service videos for your contractors, and then the documents for download are a big one. So it's some of our product flyers, the warranty pages, definitely the specs and texts for the current products and the archive products, some lunch and learn stuff, the white papers, and then a big one here is the information bulletins. If you get questions asked from one of your customers, you can point them, or you can print these out and get them to different people in your network so that you can get these questions answered fairly quickly. We definitely don't mind getting the products or getting the questions asked, but this is just a little quick reminder that a lot of the questions you can probably go right to some of these pages and get these answered. So this is just a quick reminder that a lot of this stuff is on the website, and you can also go to the resources tab and you can find different material that will help answer some of those questions. So if you need anything else, you can definitely, if you're in my region, get a hold of me, get a hold of the other regionals, Justin on the West Coast, Keith in the Central, and Gene in that Southeast corridor. And you can always ask Mark, but we dislike to, this is just a reminder, a lot of this stuff's on the website so that you guys can find this quicker and easier and serve your customers better. Anything else? Feel free to call and ask. Thank you.